Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel, and today I'm making an updated video on the ant traps here from TERRO, T-E-R-R-O, and basically I did this around 3 months ago, and if you saw the video, it took care of all the ants. Unfortunately, either the colony either started itself over again, or maybe a new colony took over. I don't really know what happened, but you can see all the ants all over here. They're coming everywhere. They're just coming from everywhere. And they're just all over here. So it's the exact same problem they're coming out of the woodwork, they're coming out of this section over here. So I believe the nest is in here. So we're going to put another trap in, and hopefully that will take care of it. Unfortunately, that's just how it goes. When you have ants, this can be an issue, and you can see they keep coming from over here, and there's a million of them. So we're just going to take out another trap, the same trap as before. All right, we'll take this off. And we're going to open this up and put it right down right here. Okay, so I opened it up, and I'm going to put it down right here. And what's going to happen is that the ants are going to sense it, and they're actually going to go in here, and they're going to start taking the poison and bringing it back to the colony. And that's what they do. So I'm going to leave that there. And again, this is the follow-up video. This is around 3 months since I did the last one. And within a week, they were gone. Maybe week and a half. They were sucking up all that stuff. They were just, and they get very active when it gets really hot out. So right now it's really hot, and now they're super active. And you can see this guy here, he wants to go in there. Let me just get a close-up of him so we can see. So you can see he's investigating it. He can sense there's something in there. So they'll start going in there, and they'll start taking the poison and basically spreading it to the rest of the colony. And then that's the idea behind something like this. You just want them to really, take their time, leave it alone, and they will go into, you can see that one just sitting there, and he just, they'll send information to the rest of the colony. So he knows there's stuff in it. You can see him, he's investigating it, he's looking at it, and he's actually probably even tasting it a little bit. And so it's really cool, and they're all over the front of my area here, and you can see them. So you can just see he's sitting there, and he's enjoying it, and what's going to happen, the rest of them will start following through, and eventually within a week or so, this colony will be also gone. But every 3 months, you do have to kind of keep doing it, and that's pretty much how it works, and that's the nature of the beast. So this is the stuff here. Like I said before, this is fantastic. I love it. And this is what it is. All right, guys, so I just want to make a quick follow-up video. Someone actually made a comment this morning and said, oh, I'd like to see a follow-up video on this, and this is the follow-up video. And that's why they give you 6 baits. So depending where you need them, you can see this guy here. He's investigating it. He's going to go for it, and he'll start spreading it to the rest of the colony. And that's it. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. This is what we do. Try to help you with everything. Definitely recommend these. They work really well, but unfortunately, it's 3 months, and sometimes they do come back, and that's just the way it goes. All right, guys. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.